Hi, I'm Tom Adams, President of the North Carolina Captive Insurance Association. It's a beautiful day here in North Carolina, and I was downtown and came across the railroad tracks here in beautiful downtown Southern Pines. It reminded me that the early bird cutoff for the North Carolina Captive Insurance Association annual meeting is coming up March 15th. So, press the button below to register for the North Carolina Captive Insurance Association annual conference and take advantage of the early bird rates. And then call Amtrak or call your local airline and book your ticket to Durham, North Carolina for the North Carolina Captive Insurance Association annual conference May 1st through the 4th. I look forward to seeing you in Durham.